Ang sabi nga nila, tila may mahika ang mga mata ng isang Nora Aunor. Kahit walang dialogue ay sapat na ang ekspresyon ng kanyang mga mata upang ilahad ang iba't ibang mensahe ng isang eksena. Sabi nga ng isang kritiko, mata pa lang ni Nora ay isang buong pelikula na. Sino-sino nga ba ang mga artistang itinuturing na may most expressive eyes sa buong mundo? Pangalanan natin sila.
Bette Davis, immortalized on Kim Khan's 1981 infectious hit song Bette Davis Eyes. Even her split-second glance tells the world that she's someone who commands attention. Audrey Hepburn. Those huge and slanted dark brown marbles not only contribute to the unique and elegant pixie that she is, they make her look like a Dresden figurine that has come to life. Hilda Coronel. Known as the woman with the most expressive eyes, they complete the effortless poetry and Paola Coronel possesses, which also define her on-screen talent and off-screen glamour. Michelle Pfeiffer. Her sparkling dewy blues connote that certain point of origin of her character's spirit, thus reflecting the subtle creativity she radiates on screen. Nora Aunor. The superstar's eyes actually happen to be her best assets. That because they mirror the internal actress she is and define the triumphant survivor Guy has become.
Yan ang Tatak Superstar, Tatak National Artist, Tatak Nora Aunor. Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.